Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Banggood.com Dual Defender Shockproof case for the iPhone 5, 5SE, and 5S. This is the case. It's a snap-on style shell case with rubber TPU interior and hard plastic back. There are actually two pieces to this case, as the hard plastic back snaps off, leaving only the flexible rubber skin interior. The back of the case snaps back in place and is held in by 4 rubber pegs. The inside of the case has a webbed design pattern which helps distribute the force from shocks when the phone is dropped in order to cushion and protect your phone. Around the edges is a raised rim which helps the phone avoid scratches on the screen by lifting it up off flat surfaces. The case is fairly slim, though adds about 50% more thickness to your iPhone 5. On the back of the case, there are cutouts for the Apple logo and the flash and camera. The top and bottom sections are also slightly recessed for easier handling, as well as on the sides to improve your grip on your device. On the left-hand side, you'll find a cutout for the mute switch, as well as rubberized button protectors for the volume keys. Then along the bottom, you have a small door for the headphone and charging port. On top, you have a rubberized button for the sleep-wake key. Each corner is reinforced with thick bumpers to protect the corners of your screen from cracking when bumped or dropped. To put the case on your phone, remove the back plate and seat your phone into the rubber skin. The back plate simply snaps into place when you're done. The case is snug and fits the phone well, and can also be used with most screen protectors. You'll get a slight raised lip to protect the front of your screen. You can clearly see the Apple logo, and the camera functionality with the case on isn't impacted. Pressing the volume keys through the rubber covers isn't stiff or difficult, and access to the mute switch is still available. Overall, the case feels durable, and it doesn't interfere with the functions of the phone. It provides decent protection for your phone against bumps, scratches, and drops. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.